Hi, welcome back to Quick Real Estate Tips and Ideas. I'm Yael, Shanee, your expert local realtor. Today, let's talk about the role of real estate trustee, a term that often comes up in estate planning and property ownership. Have you ever wondered who manages the property in a trust? That's the job of a trustee. The trustee is an individual or institution managing the trust property. Their primary duty is to act solely in the best interests of the beneficiaries. So who should you choose? It's a big decision. Your trustee can be a family member, a trusted friend, or professional such as an attorney or bank's trust department. A trustee plays a key role in protecting and managing your real estate legacy. Choosing the right one avoids future legal and financial stress for your family, ensuring a smooth property transfer. Once appointed, the trustee has several critical duties: handling property income, paying taxes, insurance and repairs, deciding when to sell or transfer the property, keeping accurate financial records. The trustee's fiduciary duty requires them to act honestly, responsibly, and solely in the best interest of the beneficiaries. Need guidance on putting your property in a trust? I can assist you with the real estate aspect and refer you to a trusted attorney for legal advice. Feel free to call me anytime.